my goodness, Kira is gonna be so excited. Welcome to the review today, you guys. We are doing a review of this really tall camping chair. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Kira, you think you can get up in that one? Ooh, this is gonna be for tall people like Jamie.
It's definitely not for me. I feel like I'm a little kid in a big
Yeah, this is a nice camping chair for people that are a little bit taller. This is the bigger size chair. You can see, how tall are you, Greg? 5'7"?
I'm 5'7", but I have really short legs.
Okay, so Greg's 5'7". He can almost touch the ground in it. Slow down, ma'am. It's got cup holders on the side. Kira, you want to try it? Go ahead. You get up there. All right. My dogs love camping chairs. They're like one of their favorite things to sit in when we're camping. Ma'am, you almost knocked it over.
King of the mountain now.
Yeah, it does have a nice strap on the back of it. Oh, it's got a little bag back here. You can put like your book and stuff in there. Hi, El. You can put a book in there. You can put some snacks in there. And then it's got the nice cup holders on the side. Now it's all dirty thanks to Muddy Dog Feet. Thanks, Muddy Dog Feet. But it should wipe clean pretty easily. What do you think? Did you calm down a little bit? Now you realized you have your own chair? Yeah. So the nice thing about this is it collapses, folds up, goes right into this bag. You can shove it in the back of your car. You can shove it in the back of your RV. These are really, really nice, high-quality chairs. SUNNYFEEL is a company that I have a few chairs from them that I really, really like. So these should last you a nice long time. If you're looking for a nice, big, oversized camping chair, we recommend this. Now it's time to go camping. We just got to get that snow to melt first.